And then at the risk of being controversial and annoying some of you, you need to own it. If you fail a Part 3 test, you get to choose how you respond, okay? This goes for anything in life. Life throws things at everyone. And we are in charge of our own emotions. We are in charge of how we get to respond to this. If you fail a Part 3 test, it's not the examiner's fault. If you fail your Part 3 test, it's not the pupil's fault. If you fail your Part 3 test, it honestly is not your trainer's fault. And I realise I'm a bit biased when I say that. Unless your trainer's not very good. Unless your trainer is, you've gone to your trainer on the recommendation of someone and you've got a bit of a dodgy feeling about them, there's no rapport there, you kind of feel that you're going through the motions and you've had that feeling for a while. But even then, you've had 4 hours of training with your trainer. Maybe we should have realised before that point that maybe we should have gone to find someone else. If you fail your Part 3 test, it also doesn't mean you're rubbish. It means that you did not do enough on the day to demonstrate to the examiner that you know your stuff. That's all it means. You did not do enough on the day to demonstrate to the examiner that you deserve to be a driving instructor. It means you've not demonstrated that you know how to keep the car safe. You've not demonstrated that you know how to ensure that learning takes place. You've not demonstrated that you understand how a driving lesson should work. That's what you need to understand before you go for a Part 3 test. Otherwise, it's just very difficult to pass.